everyone, this is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I want to show you guys how to make the best protein brownie that ever existed. These protein brownies taste as close to GHIRARDELLI as it's going to get, okay? The nutrition facts: one brownie is 200 calories, 18 grams protein. When you add everything, it's about 5 net carbs altogether, but it is so good, and it's very, very low in fat, okay? You're only talking about maybe 5 or 6 grams of fat for the whole thing. You open up a can of, or a thing of chocolate mix, and then instead of heavy whipping cream, I am using coconut milk. See that? It's just healthier than dairy, and if you got a bad heart like me, you want to be sensitive to everything, okay? So I did 2 tablespoons of that in here. I did 2 tablespoons of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. I'm doing a 1/4 cup of egg whites. Cocoa. And 2 tablespoons sweetie. This is what gives it the brownie texture. Now I'm gonna mix it. See how big this is, guys? This is 1 serving, but this is a brownie protein style. And what I'm gonna do is microwave this for about 2 minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I microwaved this 2 minutes in the microwave. That's how it came out. It is so delicious, so soft, so moist. Whoa, it's just hot. And what I do, instead of putting the chips on before I microwave it, I like to put them on after, because that way I can taste them better. And I got my brownie. You can even put some sugar-free caramel on here. You can top it with some whipped cream, do whatever you want. But look at this, guys. I just want to show you how moist and tender that is. Okay, it literally melts in your mouth. It tastes just like a brownie. It looks like a brownie, except there is nothing in this that's in a brownie. None of these ingredients are in a brownie. You know what you're eating? You're eating organic coconut flour, flaxseed, nutritional yeast, sunflower lecithin, cocoa. You're eating my sweetener that's made with erythritol, monk fruit, and stevia. You're eating coconut milk, you're eating Greek yogurt, and you're eating egg whites and other stuff. That's what I'm saying. Nothing in this is in a brownie, even though it tastes like a GHIRARDELLI brownie. So come see us, guys. We are here to make you healthy. We are here to help you lose weight. And we are here to help you not deprive yourself. When I see people eating brownies, I don't crave them, because I have this. And I know I can eat this all day long and lose. So come see us, guys. We love you. We're here at Healthy Treats Market. We're in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. You can like our Facebook page, Healthy Treats Market. You can join the Healthy Treats Market support group on Facebook. You can go on YouTube and subscribe to Healthy Treats Market and watch more videos like this. If you don't live nearby, visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com. You can place your order there. And we've got a recipe book under construction on HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Thanks for watching. God bless you.